Daily use question answers.
Who wants to know?
I want to know.
Who wants to know?
I want to know.
Do you have a private car?
No, I don't have a private car.
Do you have a private car?
No, I don't have a private car.
Where are we now?
We are at home now.
Where are we now?
We are at home now.
Are you carpenter?
No, I am not a carpenter.
Are you carpenter?
No, I am not a carpenter.
Is anybody there?
Yes, I am here.
Is anybody there?
Yes, I am here.
Pardon me.
Sorry, what was that?
Pardon me.
Sorry, what was that?
Who is that?
That is my sister.
Who is that?
That is my sister.
Is it near here?
No, it is not near here.
Is it near here?
No, it is not near here.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat meat.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat meat.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is a doctor.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is a doctor.
Can I drink?
Yes, you can drink.
Can I drink?
Yes, you can drink.
Have you gone mad?
No, I have not gone mad.
Have you gone mad?
No, I have not gone mad.
Is this your marker?
Yes, this is my marker.
Is this your marker?
Yes, this is my marker.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Thanks.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Thanks.
Who will drive?
Dad will drive the car.
Who will drive?
Dad will drive the car.
Can we keep it?
Yes, you all keep it.
Can we keep it?
Yes, you all keep it.
Are you busy?
No, I am not.
Are you busy?
No, I am not.
What happened?
Nothing happened, really.
What happened?
Nothing happened, really.
Is this book boring?
No, the book is interesting.
Is this book boring?
No, the book is interesting.
Is John well?
Yes, he is well.
Is John well?
Yes, he is well.
What does it cost?
It costs $20.
What does it cost?
It costs $20.
Who cares?
Nobody cares.
Who cares?
Nobody cares.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What does it mean?
It means a lot.
What does it mean?
It means a lot.
Who has it?
My brother has it.
Who has it?
My brother has it.
Is this lake deep?
Yes, this lake is deep.
Is this lake deep?
Yes, this lake is deep.
Were you there?
Yes, I was there.
Were you there?
Yes, I was there.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thanks.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thanks.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Oh, really?
Yes, really, it's true.
Oh, really?
Yes, really, it's true.
Was Lara here?
No, she was not.
Was Lara here?
No, she was not.
Did you speak?
Yes, I spoke already.
Did you speak?
Yes, I spoke already.
How are you?
I am fine.
How are you?
I am fine.
Smith eat.
Yes, Smith is eating.
Smith eat.
Yes, Smith is eating.
Are those yours?
No, these are not.
Are those yours?
No, these are not.
Who are they?
These are my friends.
Who are they?
These are my friends.
Is it here?
Yes, it is here.
Is it here?
Yes, it is here.
What do you want?
I want coffee.
What do you want?
I want coffee.